Look, Margaret.
Really sweet. I've always. Oh. Don't get your feet in your pocket. Let me know. Okay, here you go. Put your feet in there.
Mommy.
Okay, here we go. Ready? When you want a horse to go, you have to say.
We see the
Can you try that?
So we can get the.
Good. All right. Go with it.
Is Margaret riding a horse, Liz?
Yeah.
Are you going to ride the horsey? You don't have to. Well, we have to open the gate.
Is this the gate? Is this the gate now?
So you want the horse to
Is
stop?
this
You
the
say.
gate now? Is this the gate now?
No, they can just tie the horses to that.
Well, he's not supposed to eat grass when someone's on him.
No.
We're kind of particular about that.
Where's Olivia?
In the middle and start eating grass.
Where's Olivia?
That would be bad. So when you're ready to go, what do you say? Try again. See? That worked.
My lips were stuck to my tooth.
They were.
I dried it off with a